Guys, we are in Austria in middle of snow mountain.
Austria, oh, it's just magical. Picture stunning mountains, fairy tale villages, and music floating in the air. Yes, real music, like Mozart's. The people are warm, the coffee houses are cozy, and the pastries, absolutely to die for. Vienna is like stepping into a royal dream, while Salzburg feels like a live Sound of Music set. You've got skiing, hiking, castles, and those little alpine houses that look straight out of a postcard. Even their trains are beautiful, clean, scenic, and always on time. Austria just wraps you in charm and leaves your heart smiling.
Hello everyone, right now I am standing just beside this famous Swarovski museum. This statue that you can see over here is a very famous statue. This is called a Swarovski Chris Walton. It's situated in Austria, Europe West, and it is so beautiful. This is the same place where Salman Khan and Karishma Kapoor danced together. I cannot recollect the movie name, but yeah, this is the place, and it is so pretty.
Hello. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking you to one of the most magical places in Europe, Austria. From snow-covered Alps to charming streets filled with music and history, this country is pure beauty. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's explore Austria together. We have started with Austria bus ride. We have our private bus, and look at the view outside of the bus. It's so serene, and this natural rivers, these greenery just makes the day. Austria's roads are like scenic dream, winding through snow-capped mountains, lush green valleys, a postcard perfect village. Every turn feels like a painting with crystal clear lakes and alpine charm all around. Whether you're driving through Tyrol or cruising near Salzburg, the journey itself is pure magic. So we were all soaking in the scenery, trying to find out what is there besides us and trying to understand this country from tip to toe. And this small country took our hearts away. Guys, we have crossed Swiss border and we have now entered in Austria. This all you can see is Austria. Over here in Austria, it's called as Austrisch. It's not, they don't use the word Austria, but they use Austrisch.
Taking a bus ride through Austria feels like watching a live nature documentary. Outside the window, you'll see endless green meadows dotted with wooden cottages and grazing cows. The mighty Alps rise in the distance, often capped with snow, even in spring. Charming little towns with colorful houses and flower filled balconies pass by like storybook scenes. You might spot a sparkling lake or a fast flowing stream dancing beside the road. Even the urban area of Austria is well built. There are high luxury end cars all around with cottage type of buildings, makes Austria so wonderful. The air looks fresh even through the glass, and everything feels peaceful and picture perfect. It's not just a commute, it's a beautiful experience you'll want to relive again and again and again and again and again. So welcome to Austria.
After the long journey that we took to enter Austria, it's very obvious that we'll be hungry. So here we are inside a restaurant in Austria. And something about Austria is that the roads are quite wide and clean. and people follow the traffic rules very, very seriously. And this is something which I genuinely liked about this country. And the weather, as always, it's amazing. Austria is filled with natural beauty. There's no two ways about it. Welcome to Swarovski Crystal Walton Museum in Wattens, Austria. Largest crystal museum of the world. It is being inaugurated by Swarovski. This museum is run by Swarovski brand, and it has world's largest crystals, and that too real Swarovski crystal. It's very rare to find such amazing crystals, and Swarovski has it. And this is the museum. Like, come with us, I'm going to take you around this entire museum, and I'm going to show you what all I saw inside this Swarovski Crystal Walton Museum in Wattens, Austria. Woohoo! Yay, let's go. Swarovski crystals.
Guys, we have reached the Swarovski Museum, and this is the famous statue of Swarovski crystals. We are standing right beside the Swarovski Museum statue, the most famous statue. Swarovski Museum statue in Austria. This is the same statue where Salman Khan, Karishma Kapoor shooting had happened. This is Swarovski Museum in Austria, and here is the place where they dance together. Woohoo! This right here is the most expensive wall of the world, because this wall right here is covered entirely with Swarovski. I'm showing you up close. This entire wall is completely covered with Swarovski crystals, and hence this has become the most expensive wall of the world.
800,000 crystals are hand mounted in this wall. My god.
Guys, this that you can see over here is the biggest crystal of the world, located in Swarovski Museum, Austria. Entire wall is covered with Swarovski crystals.
This is a very unique decorative article. This is a crystal tree and artificial snow pouring on the crystal tree. It's used for decoration, and this is called as silent light crystal tree. Renowned king's crown are also placed here, and Swarovski crystals have been used in these crowns. Wow, this is unbelievable. Entering in a world of garments endowed with Swarovski crystals. What a view! Mesmerized. Collection of crystal embellished dresses have been displayed over here, and these dresses have been designed by amazing designers. I've never seen something like this in my entire life. My god. Just unbelievable. This is so pretty. Ready to love. Ice Passage. Wow! Peace is every individual's basic pattern and the deepest yearning lying in every person's heart. Recognize the war extant in your actions so it will not gain expression.
Live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold these creed.
Martin Luther King in hologram.
I have a dream today.
That's why peace, life, and happiness.
Swarovski Museum. All Swarovski crowns over here. The Swarovski dress. And this one is another Swarovski gown. The water basin is flat, so God knows where the water is going.
সবসময় মিস ইন্ডিয়া টিয়ারাটা বানায় ক্রাউন Swarovski official business partner, crown partner.
This is a large sparkling globe made of Swarovski crystal prominently displayed at Swarovski Christwalton Museum in Wattens, Austria. In this area, this was located in the basement and many shops were there.
we completed the entire tour of Swarovski Museum. Saw so many Swarovski diamonds in different type of sculptures in the form of dress, jewelry, different articles, metal articles, walls of Swarovski. It was so surreal and beautiful. After going through the entire museum, this is the outer view of the museum. Can you see the Alps mountain? We can view the Alps mountain standing inside the Swarovski museum in Austria. And so nice, so green. And
These
I
are
love
snow
the
mountains
scenery.
of Austria covered in snow. Though it's not very cold right now, it's quite sunny right now, but the mountains are fully covered with snow and still we have some greenery out here. It's so pretty. If you can hear silently, there is a noise that is coming. It is a noise that gets generated when we walk. It's very difficult for me to, get you all experienced of that sound because you can't see the sound, right? You can just hear it. Okay, I was just looking for the speaker, but unfortunately I can't locate that. Oh, this is a very nice water kind of a show item. Amazing.
Going to explore streets of Austria. So we covered the museum that is the highlight of Austria. And now we are gonna get into the ground. We're gonna go and walk through the streets and we are gonna see what Austria looks like
We
in
are
real
now
time.
exploring the streets of Austria. This is where all the shopping streets are situated. So pretty. Let me show you something very, very cool. This you can see over here. This is like a chocolate cake, cream cake type of a building, which is so beautiful to see. Okay, and this over here, let me show you. I don't think if you're able to see it. Okay, this one, it's a golden brick building which has a lot of golden bricks, but it's made out of copper and not real gold, but it looks like gold building. Very nice.
I'm in the heart of Austria, and oh my gosh, the streets here are so pretty. I feel like I'm walking through a painting. The little cobblestone lanes, the pastel buildings, and the cozy vibes. It's giving total fairy tale energy. I just passed by this super cute local market. Fresh flowers, handmade goodies, and yes, pretzels everywhere. And guess what? I found a Starbucks, but it's not just any Starbucks. It's all Austrian chic, with views of the Alps while you sip your latte. The people here are so friendly, and the street performers, totally vibing with violins and accordions. Every corner smells like fresh pastries or roasted chestnuts. It's honestly hard not to stop every 5 steps. There are tiny boutique stores that sell the cutest souvenirs and crafts. Hello, handmade crystal keychains. And the weather, absolutely perfect for a little shopping and a whole lot of strolling.
Hope that was fun listening to some other voice, but yeah, the point remains the same. Can you see this amazing Austria markets? Oh gosh, like it's filled with people, filled with such unique things, jewelries, gift items, watches, and look at the crowd. I mean, it's amazing to see. And can you see there are no vehicles? I mean, I know I'm repeating this, but yeah, the fact remains the fact. There are no vehicles, and look at the balconies. Yeah, they have so cute flowers, and we were getting some amazing shoes, shawls, scarves. And yeah, people were very happy, people were chill, there were dogs, people had come with their pets. And this is the building which has like the copper top and so nice, so pretty, very amazing. Loving it. Do you all remember I was talking about the Starbucks in Austria? So, this is the lane where the Starbucks is located, and this Starbucks over here comes under unique Starbucks of the world, where you can see the Alps mountain, the street of Austria, and sip coffee in this cold, cold weather. Really mesmerized with this Starbucks. Starbucks is everywhere. It is the food time after a long, long day. Yay!
Guys, we have been traveling since 7 a.m. in the morning. Had breakfast around 6 a.m. Then we have come, taken bus around 8 a.m. and here. So, too much now. We have come to have dinner. Are in Austria. Guys, this is our hotel in Austria, and let me show you. This is how we enter from the room, come out, and then this is the view that we are getting.
It's morning 5 a.m. and I'm just soaking in the view of this beautiful snow mountain. Love it, love it. Icy mountain with natural winds, not harsh winds, but yet soothing winds. And this hotel, fabulous experience. This is our hotel in Austria, just inside snow mountain. This is the lobby area, and we were waiting for our breakfast to open, and this is the restaurant, and this area is also another sub area where more halls and places are situated. So we were just sitting there and waiting and having our food. This is the hotel where we were staying, and I'm showing you the outer view of our hotel, and see the view. So nice.
Guys, we are in Austria. We are actually inside a snow mountain. Can you see the hotels behind us? These hotels are located at the top of the mountains. So our vehicle has actually climbed the entire mountain and come at the top of the mountain, and it's not ended here. There is still more tip of the mountain left. Okay, so we are like in the second last tip of the mountain, and this is the hotel, and these are the mountains. You can see the snow over here, so pretty. Ooh. This is our room in Austria, Snow Mountain, and this is the balcony. And it's actually covered with snow. Oh my god. I have my jacket. I just came for 1 second over here, and obviously the beautiful mountains of Austria. I actually could not take the room tour while we had entered Austria. So while we are checking out, I am giving you all a room tour. So in our room tour, we had a big, bathtub and the other amenities and the bed. So quite cozy, nice little room. And it was wooden. The, furnitures were wooden. And the best part about the room has to be this amazing balcony, and the balcony has the greatest view of Austria. Austria Snow Mountain. In Austria also, cable car ride is available which directly connects to the top of the snow mountain. We did not go there as we did not have so much of time left in our hand, but yeah, if anybody wants to go, it's a very nice cable ride journey. Like it's open so you can feel the entire wind and soak in this. Leaving from Austria, bye bye. You were so nice. Thank you for giving us such a good time. And cannot even forget this mountain. And there is something about this ice, like it's so clean, and the reflection of the sun was so nice, and the scenarios, the roads, the journey, it was fabulous. It is fabulous for me till now, and the memories are so fresh. Thankful to Austria. And I was seeing how these cars were being transported. And this is another place where we were all going to, I guess, have some breakfast. So, yeah, I think we are going to a departmental store just to have a breakfast. And yeah, as the tradition follows, I am sharing some amazing photographs that we clicked in our trip to Austria. These are some amazing pictures. These photographs will stay with us for lifetime. When we look back in our journey and when we see what all things we have visited, what all things we have done, it feels very surreal, because the moment when you're traveling, at that time we don't realize. We are like, okay, I have to see this, I have to see that. But when you come back from that country and see all the photographs, you realize that, oh, so many things we have seen. So as you can see, these photographs, these are from the Swarovski Museum, and these were iconic creatures, like iconic 7 wonders of the world made in crystal. Like this is the Taj Mahal, and so many things. So yeah, these photographs was from that museum. And this is also the Wonderland Museum crystals. So it's amazing, and these are also more photographs from the museum. So yeah, as I was saying, it feels really nice being there. And Austria is such a place which is very pleasant, and the people there were very nice, hospitable, and they treated us well. And the streets of Austria was little bit crowded,
but yet very nice. You know, there were no vehicles allowed inside the streets of Austria. Everybody had to just walk through it. So that was very nice, and the weather was very cold in Austria. It was not like humid or anything. So we kind of really enjoyed. And this statue that you can see, oh my god, this is so famous, and because of its importance, single picture is never enough. So we had to take photographs from many angles, and we were just having a lot of fun, and it this memory will stay with me. I will see you all next time in my next video. Till the time, take care. Bye bye. Toodles.